Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what Sweden brings to NATO. Sweden significantly enhances NATO collective defense, particularly in Northern Europe. Its advanced military capabilities and strategic geographic position are crucial for regional security. Furthermore, Sweden contributes a robust defense industry and a strong tradition of technological innovation, which benefits the entire alliance. This partnership strengthens NATO overall readiness and ability to respond to various security challenges, making the alliance more resilient and capable. Sweden's military assets are a significant addition to NATO. The Swedish Air Force operates advanced Gripen fighter jets, known for their versatility and performance. The Swedish Navy excels in submarine warfare and littoral operations, which are vital for controlling the Baltic Sea. Additionally, the Swedish Army is highly trained and equipped for challenging Arctic and forest environments, providing specialized expertise. These capabilities enhance NATO operational flexibility and deterrence across diverse terrains. Sweden's strategic location is paramount for NATO northern flank. Its position is critical for controlling the Baltic Sea, a vital waterway for both defense and commerce. This geographic advantage provides essential depth for defense planning and logistical support across Northern Europe. Beyond geography, Sweden brings a strong commitment to cutting-edge defense technology and research, fostering innovation within the alliance. This combination of strategic location and technological prowess significantly bolsters NATO collective security. Sweden's membership strengthens NATO beyond just military assets. Its deep-rooted democratic values and commitment to human rights align perfectly with the alliance's core principles, reinforcing its moral foundation. Sweden also brings a comprehensive approach to security, encompassing civil defense and societal resilience, which enhances NATO overall preparedness for various threats. This holistic perspective makes the alliance more robust. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.